How to change your ears on Google account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube application on your device. First of all, launch Google application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards profile icon at top right corner and tap manage your Google account. Now you will come across this Google account page where you need to tap Personal Info tab at top right corner of the screen. Now tap Birthday option under Basic Info section. Now from this section you can simply update the date of birth. You can change the date, the month, year, and also you can choose who can see your birthday. If you want to say to only you, select only you, or else you can tap anyone as well. If you want a check mark, highlight birthday, simply check mark it to let people know that it's your birthday. Otherwise, you can save as it is and then tap save button and button right once you are done. This will help you apply the changes on your Google account. That is how we change our A's on Google account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.